Sorry. Hello.
No problem. Hello.
Yeah. How are
Now
you?
is voice is clear.
Yeah. How are
Yeah,
you?
I'm fine. Yeah, I'm
Okay. So,
fine.
so please tell me, where are you
And what
from?
about you?
Yeah, I am fine as well. Thank you for asking. Please tell me something about
Yes.
yourself. Where are you from? And yeah.
Yeah. So my name is Fanita Kalita, and I
Okay.
am from Assam. And right now I am working in a school. So my profession right now, my profession is a teacher.
Okay.
Uh, I am living with my parents. I have one elder brother and one younger sister.
Okay. That's great. So, which subject do you teach in your school?
Yeah, social science. But sometimes I teach English also in primary level. But
Okay.
I teach social science from class 6 to 10
Okay, that's great.
in my school. Yeah.
Okay. So, which language do students or teachers speak there in your school?
Yeah. So in school, the medium of instruction is Assamese. My
Okay.
Marathi is also Assamese, and Assamese is the official language of Assam. So I speak Assamese in my school. Sometimes I speak
Okay.
English also, but mainly
Okay.
Assamese.
That's great. So do you also speak Hindi there? People also speak Hindi?
Yeah, I can.
Yes.
Yeah, I can
Okay.
speak Hindi or Bengali also.
Okay. So you know many languages, you know?
No. Only four.
So four is so you know four languages, no? So it's great, no?
Yes,
Great thing.
but
Okay.
I don't know all the language fluently, like English. Yeah.
You are speaking English fluently, no? Okay. So what is the situation of Corona there? Is everything normal there?
uh, Not normal right now, but the cases are decreasing nowadays. And I
Okay.
think in your state also the
Yeah.
vaccination had got started. So in
Mhm.
my place also, the people are getting vaccinated.
So have you been vaccinated?
No, not right now. I am planning to do so in next week.
Okay, so which kind of crops are grown in your state? Please tell me something about your state. What is
Yeah.
your state
So
famous for? Hmm.
yeah. So my state name is Assam. I think most of the people don't know about Assam.
No, no, we
Don't
know.
know about Northeast. I know you know that, but most of the
But tell,
people, yeah, don't know about,
that's why I'm
yeah,
asking.
about Assam. Yeah,
Yeah,
and the northeastern parts, the northeastern region of Assam. So in northeast, there are 7 states.
yeah,
Assam is also one of them. Uh, and Assam shares its boundary with foreign country like Bhutan and
yeah.
Bangladesh. And
Okay,
Assam shares its boundaries with all the states, like all the
okay,
northeastern states. So
okay,
Assam is situated in the northeast part of India.
okay. So what is your state famous for?
Yeah,
What are famous?
there are I think 3 or 4 kind. Yeah, I think there are 3 or 4 kind of things which that Assam is famous for.
Okay.
One is tea production.
Yeah. Tea.
I think
Tea is
yeah,
grown.
Assam is the leading tea producer of India,
Okay, yeah,
and Assam is also famous for silk production like muga and pat. Have you heard that or not? I don't know.
yeah.
Muga and pat. Have you heard that?
No. Muga and Path I have never heard.
Yeah, it's
So
silk. You can you can say silk also. Silk
yeah.
production.
I know, sir. Hmm.
Yeah,
So
and Assam is
apart,
also famous.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm asking,
Yeah.
apart from tea, which kind of
Mm-mm.
crops are grown there in Assam?
I think mostly most of the crops are grown in Assam like paddy, mainly
Mhm.
paddy, and
Yeah.
all type of vegetables. All
Oh,
type of vegetable
okay. That's great.
and
So
fruits also.
what? What is?
Fruits also. Yeah,
Okay.
fruits.
Okay. So
And have you heard about the Kamakhya temple? It is a famous temple of Assam,
no, I have never heard.
Kamakhya. But
Okay.
most of the people know about Kamakhya temple.
Okay. Okay, that's great. So
Yes.
can we discuss about Western culture and Indian culture? Do you think that
Yeah.
Western culture has lots of impact on our Indian culture? Do you think so?
Yeah, but first, I think before going to the discussion, I want to tell about my state. One thing is I think most of the people know about that. And I think they should know about that our
That's what
famous
culture.
dance, famous folk dance is Bihu.
Okay.
Most of the people know that. And the
Yeah.
traditional attire is Mekhela Sadar. In
Okay.
every occasion, we love to wear Mekhela Sadar.
Okay. So what about,
Yes.
I'm asking, do you think that Western culture has lots of impact on Indian people, especially on
Yeah.
youth?
Yeah, I must say, not only in India, I think all over the parts of the world, not only India, like every countries of the world, the Western culture is impacting nowadays. We
Okay.
follow them, yeah, especially youth. Actually,
Yeah.
I have also cousins and niece, so they are very small. So like if someone if someone scold others in English language, so they think that is cool. I always try to, yeah, I always try to, yeah, so they think like that. And I think nowadays it is impacting our culture. The Western culture is impacting our Indian culture. In the past, if we look at the past, then most of the people, I think, eat using their hands. But nowadays, people not don't use their hands while eating. So they love to eat using, yeah, what is called a spoon and fork.
Folk.
So I think in the past time there is a tradition, and
Yeah.
in I think in what, yeah, in one YouTube video, I have learned about that there is
Okay.
a, I think, scientific reason
Yeah.
why do we eat using our hands. I think it is good for our health,
Yeah.
eating using our hands. And I think, and nowadays most of the people love to live in freedom, especially the youth. So they want freedom, and and most of the people want to live in a nuclear family. They want to live in a nuclear family. But if we look at our history in past times, in Indians love to live in a joint family. I think the custom is now also there in many parts of India.
Yeah.
But mostly people love to live in a nuclear family nowadays.
Yeah, you are right.
And I think Western culture is impacting us in every aspects of our
Every
life, like
aspect.
custom, tradition, yeah,
Food.
behavior, arts, music, drama, movie,
Everywhere.
everywhere.
You know, India
Yeah,
has,
everywhere.
you know, India is the only country which has diversity. You know, other country has their only
Yes,
single
yes,
culture and tradition. And still they are following, you know, we are
yes,
forgetting our culture. We are adopting
yeah,
their, you know, learning new things
yeah.
from other countries not
It's
wrong.
good.
It's good, but you know, we should not forget our culture. No? You know, there are lots of books,
Yes, yes.
you know, in our country written by good author, great authors, but they don't want to read these books. They want to read others' books, you know. There are lots of like
Yeah.
music and everything. And if I talk about, you know, Indian Western culture is, you know, replacing Indian food. So it is not good
Yes,
for our
yes,
health. No? It is not good. You know,
yeah,
it causes obesity. And if I talk about
yes.
alcohol, drugs, they also have come
Mm-mm.
from Western culture. No? There are lots
Yeah,
of things
affecting our health.
affecting our health. And
It
you
is
know,
dangerous for our
mm,
health.
yeah, you know, our food habits and clothes we wear, everything is, yeah, we
Mm-mm.
are, so Western culture is impacting us in every aspect. You know, wearing clothes which we feel comfortable is not bad, is not wrong. But we
It's
should
not, yeah,
not,
it is not
but
that.
we should not forget our own culture. We should follow our culture at least on
Yes,
special occasion like auspicious
yeah,
wedding, festival. But no, nowadays
mm-mm. Yeah,
don't want to wear Indian
yeah,
clothes. They want to,
yeah, yeah.
yeah,
It
because
is
of,
good to adopt. Yeah,
yeah,
it is good to adopting something good, which is good.
yeah,
We can
which is
adopt
good.
and we can improve your behavior and the way of life. But on the other hand, we also should protect our culture.
Our
In I
culture, we
think,
should not forget.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, we I think we learn in our school that diversity. I think
diversity.
unity in diversity. So I
Yeah,
think India is the only country.
India is known for our
It's
culture, no?
diversity.
Hmm.
There are
In
lots of religion, there are lots of food habits. The people are wearing lots of different clothes.
clothes.
The language, there are so many languages.
Every state has their own language, culture, dance.
Yes.
They wear different clothes. So why
Yeah.
still they are following Western culture? So yeah,
Yeah.
no,
We
because
should
of
follow the good things.
good things.
Yeah.
We are not
We
saying
should-
that Western culture is
Yeah,
totally
good
bad.
things.
It's not. We are not saying that. They are there, but there are some things which we should not follow them.
Yeah.
Mm.
Not only from the Western culture, we can take good things from every culture, the
Every
Southern
culture,
or the
yeah.
Western.
Yeah.
Yeah,
because
Eastern.
of globalization, we are connected to other countries, no? So it is good because we are sharing our knowledge and culture and information, technology, everything we are sharing. Yeah, and we are exchange our goods. Yeah.
And Western culture are developed in technology and science. We can adopt them.
We can adopt. Yeah, these are the good things. But we should know if I talk about food habits, and there's something like alcohol, drugs. These kind of habits are not good, no?
Yeah, especially I think it is a not platform to talk about, but I personally feel I think drinking alcohol is not like you are a cool person, no? But most of the people nowadays think that if you go to the bar, if you drink alcohol, then you are become like a cool person.
Cool person. You will look like foreigner. They think so.
Yeah, you
this
look
kind
like
of
foreigner.
they have this kind of mindset. That's why they are forgetting our culture.
Yeah. I think we are learning English. It is a good thing. English language is good thing because English is a
international language.
global.
It is
Global language. If we want to go somewhere, if we want to get progress in our profession, then it is very important to learn English language.
We can connect to
English,
other countries.
we can succeed also in our career, and we can communicate with everybody without hesitation if we know the language. So good things always are adopted.
In southern part of India, some people don't know Hindi. They can't understand or speak Hindi. So with the help of English, we can connect with them. No? There are some states which Hindi is not spoken. So we can connect with the help of English with them.
Yeah, I also love the way southern culture. They are very genuine, and they are trying to hold their culture.
All Indian cultures are good, no? That's why I'm saying that.
And especially the South Indian people, especially the South Indian people, so they are trying to hold their culture. They don't forget their culture.
Yeah, you are right.
But personally, I feel like we are Indian, so it is important to know the basic Hindi, because
basic Hindi.
We are Indians. So
it's our official language.
Basic Hindi. Because most of the people don't know English language, and it is not possible to learn all the state language. We are not able to learn all the state language.
But English has also been given undue importance in our country, but it is also not good.
Yes.
If somebody speaks English, so they get he or she gets preference. This kind of things also happening in our country. If somebody speaks English, people think that he or she is very talented, no matter how much knowledge he or she has.
Yes. If you know everything, if you know everything, like you have general knowledge, thinking for everything, but you can't speak English, then people try to understand with you that you don't know anything.
You don't know anything. Don't have knowledge.
If someone is fluent in English, but he or she doesn't know anything about our custom, religion, in general knowledge, they don't know, he or she doesn't know anything, but he or she can speak English well, but the other people think that he or she is very intelligent.
Very intelligent. Yeah, you are right. I also feel so. That's why.
And we go to interview in a school or any institute. So first thing they will be asked, do you know English or not? Can you speak English or not?
Yeah. That's why English is important nowadays, no? Without.
So are you learning spoken English or like you are fluent? Are you fluent?
No, I can't say I'm fluent. I can't say I'm fluent. I'm learning. It's not like that. What about you?
So what? Yeah, I I think after talking to me, you know that I am not fluent, but yeah, I am a learner also. I'm learning spoken English.
No,
So
I'm
what is
also
the
not
source?
fluent. I know a little bit. I can speak little bit, but I can't say I'm fluent. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
So there is any purpose to learn English?
Sorry, for school. I'm a teacher. I used to teach in
Yeah.
private school, so teaching purpose I am learning.
Yeah.
I'm trying to
I
learn.
also.
Yeah.
I right now I am in a like English Assamese medium school. So in our place there are lots of English medium school. So if I want to move there, so I have to be fluent in English. And I also cracked the like CTET exam. So then I am also preparing for KBS exam. So I think for
Okay.
KBS it is
Yeah.
necessary
Okay.
to learn spoken English.
Yeah.
So what are the sources you use for learning English?
Yeah, nowadays I'm using nothing. Earlier during last year during lockdown, I wrote so many stories. After that, I narrated those stories and recorded videos. After that, I uploaded those videos on my YouTube. So this thing also helped me a lot.
Yeah.
First I wrote and I narrated those stories. So this thing helped me a lot.
I have seen your stories on your YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
they were great.
Did you find those story interesting, useful?
Yeah, interesting and helpful also.
Useful.
Both interesting and helpful.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so I think we should end our conversation. Session.
Okay,
It
okay,
was
okay.
nice
Definitely.
talking to you. Thank you for
Same
joining.
here, same here.
Thank you for joining me.
Thank you for giving this opportunity to talk to you and improve my English also.
Okay,
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.